In Python, sometimes a variable holds no value at all. For that, Python gives us a special placeholder called none. None is Python's way of saying there is simply nothing here. It is not a number or a string. It is its own special type called NoneType. Think of none like an empty mailbox. You look inside and there is nothing there at all. No letter, no package, just empty space. We start by creating a variable called result and assigning none to it. This means result currently holds no value. Printing result shows none, and calling type on it reveals NoneType, Python's built-in type that exists just for this one value. Here we define a function called sayHello. It prints a greeting but has no return statement, so Python will automatically return none when it finishes. We call sayHello and store what it returns in value. Then we print value and use is none to confirm that the function did indeed return nothing. Running the program prints none and NoneType for our variable, then hello from the function, followed by none and true, confirming that a function without a return statement gives back none. Remember, none is Python's way of saying nothing is here. Functions return it by default, and the right way to check for it is with is none.